In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the message on a QuickBooks invoice in just a few minutes. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to customize your invoices, these steps will guide you through the process, ensuring your invoices look professional and carry the exact message you'd like to convey to your clients. Let's begin by going to the QuickBooks Online website. If you already have it bookmarked or saved as a favorite, navigate there now. If not, you can quickly search for it through your browser's search bar. Once there, you'll notice the sign in option located at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. To continue, you'll need to enter your credentials. Type in your email address and your password associated with your QuickBooks account. It's important to ensure you've entered the correct details to avoid any login issues. Once you've done that, you can hit the sign in button to access your account. Now that you're logged into QuickBooks, we're heading straight to the settings area where we can make the changes we need. Look for the settings option, typically represented by a gear icon, and give it a click. This will lead you to a variety of settings related to your account. Within the settings menu, you'll need to select Account and Settings. This section is where you can manage all sorts of account preferences, but today our focus will be on the invoicing settings. Once you are in Account and Settings, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. There, you should see an option labeled Sales. Give that a click, as this is where the customization of your invoices really begins. After accessing the sales settings, you'll see an option titled Messages. Clicking here will bring you to the page where you can adjust the templates used for your invoices. The customization here is important because it's your chance to make a strong impression with clients, reinforcing your brand identity through consistent messaging. Now on the messages page, you'll see the current email template used when sending invoices. Look for the area that allows you to edit this template. Here, it's important to tailor the message to fit your tone, style, and specific information you want to include. Whether it's a thank you message for your clients or specific payment terms, make sure that it's clear and aligns with your business communication. Once you've crafted your message to perfection, take a moment to review it. Double check for any spelling or grammatical errors, as these can impact the professionalism of your invoicing. Ensuring clarity in your communication will also help avoid any confusion or misinterpretations. Finally, after you've made all necessary edits, locate the Save button, usually found towards the bottom of the page. Clicking Save will apply your changes, ensuring that all future invoices sent carry your updated message. This final step is crucial as it locks in your adjustments and keeps your communications consistent across the board. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly change the message on your QuickBooks invoices. It's a small task that carries a lot of weight, especially when it comes to client interactions and maintaining a professional presence. Remember, effective invoicing is not just about financial transactions, it's also an extension of your brand and a touch point for client communication. Thank you for following along with me in this video. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now able to make the most of your QuickBooks invoicing functionalities. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to look for additional resources or reach out to QuickBooks support. Stay tuned for more insightful videos that help improve your business processes. Until next time, take care and happy invoicing.